Ever wondered how ancient Rome, a city of over 1 million people, managed its water needs? This isn't a question that keeps most of us awake at night, but once you start to think about it, it's a bit of a head-scratcher. The sheer logistics of it all are enough to make your head spin. Let's dive into the mystery of Rome's water distribution system. Picture a city bustling with life, the capital of an empire that spanned continents. In the heart of this metropolis, public baths, fountains, and private villas all needed a steady supply of water. But how did it get there? Welcome to the grandeur and complexity of the Roman aqueducts. These were not mere channels, but a vast network of tunnels, bridges, and pipes, a testament to the engineering prowess of the Romans. This intricate system was designed with such precision that it would put modern-day water infrastructure to shame. The city of Rome was served by not one, not two, but 11 long-distance aqueducts. These colossal structures stretched across the landscape, bringing water from sources as far away as 60 miles. Imagine that, 60 miles of stone and gravity all working together to quench the thirst of Rome. These aqueducts weren't just functional. They were architectural masterpieces. They towered over valleys and plunged beneath hills, their arches standing as proud symbols of Roman ingenuity. The aqueducts were more than just conduits for water. They were the lifeblood of the city, ensuring that Rome never went thirsty. But the mystery doesn't end there. The Romans didn't stop at just transporting the water. They were also masters at managing it. The aqueducts were designed to deliver a constant flow of water, day in, day out, regardless of the season. It's a feat that's hard to fathom, even with our modern understanding of hydraulics. So here's the million denarii question. Imagine, without modern technology, how did the Romans achieve such an engineering marvel? It's a question that has intrigued historians and engineers for centuries, and one we'll continue to explore in the following scenes. Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of Rome's aqueducts. To comprehend this marvel, it's crucial to understand the innovation behind it. The Romans, known for their engineering prowess, harnessed the power of gravity to distribute water across the vast empire. Yes, you heard it right. Gravity, the invisible force that we so often take for granted, was one of the key players in the Roman water distribution system. Imagine this. You're in 1st century BCE Rome. The city is expanding rapidly, and the need for water is growing with it. The Romans, instead of resorting to labor-intensive methods, turned their eyes to the hills. They constructed aqueducts, magnificent structures that stretched across miles, from freshwater sources in the mountains directly to the city. But here's where the genius lies. These aqueducts were not flat. They were built with a steady, gentle gradient, a subtle downward slope that allowed water to flow naturally, guided by gravity. But Rome's terrain was not all plain sailing. There were valleys, mountains, and obstacles that stood in the path of these aqueducts. So how did the Romans overcome these geographical challenges? The answer is siphons. A siphon in this context is a pipe that carries water over an obstacle by using atmospheric pressure to push the liquid up and out. The Romans used siphons to ensure that the flow of water was never interrupted, even when the path was not straightforward. So, there we have it. The Romans, using nothing but gravity and some clever engineering, were able to distribute water across their empire. They built aqueducts with a gentle gradient to allow the water to flow naturally, and when the path was blocked, they used siphons to keep the water moving. But the question remains, how did they maintain the steady supply of water? We'll delve into that mystery in the next scene. Until then, ponder over the genius of the Romans and their innovative water distribution system. Maintaining such a massive system surely must have been a colossal task. Imagine the intricate network of aqueducts, tunnels, and pipes stretching over hundreds of miles, all requiring regular upkeep to keep the lifeblood of Rome flowing. The responsibility of this Herculean task fell on the shoulders of a group of skilled engineers known as the Aquarii. The Aquarii were the unsung heroes of Rome's water distribution system. These water engineers were tasked with the maintenance of the aqueducts, but their methods remain shrouded in mystery. With no modern tools or technology at their disposal, they relied on their ingenuity and understanding of the natural world to keep the water flowing. They were masters of their craft, with a deep understanding of hydraulics, engineering, and architecture. One of the most significant challenges the Aqueduct faced was maintaining consistent water pressure. Too much, and the pipes would burst. Too little, and the water wouldn't reach its destination. To solve this, they made use of something called a castellum. A castellum was a massive distribution tank strategically placed within the city. It served two crucial functions. First, it acted as a pressure regulator, absorbing the high pressure from the incoming water and releasing it at a constant, manageable rate. Second, it acted as a distribution hub, diverting water to different parts of the city based on need. The castellum was a testament to the sophistication of Roman engineering, a marvel that allowed Rome's water system to function efficiently despite its immense scale. But the work of the Aqueducts didn't stop there. They were also responsible for regular inspections and repairs, ensuring that the aqueducts remained in optimal condition. They would traverse the length and breadth of the water system, checking for leaks, clearing blockages, and repairing any damage. Every day, they waged a silent battle against the forces of nature and time, working tirelessly to keep Rome's water flowing. Still, the puzzle isn't complete. What about the quality of water? In a city teeming with 1 million people, how did Rome ensure the purity of water? This question takes us on a journey into the heart of the Roman Empire's water distribution system, a marvel of engineering and hygiene. The Romans were not merely concerned with the quantity of water, but also its quality. To ensure the purity of water, they employed several ingenious methods, one of which was the use of settling basins. These basins were strategically placed along the aqueducts, allowing the water to rest and the impurities to settle at the bottom. This simple yet effective method kept the water clean, clear, and drinkable. However, the Romans did not stop there. They also developed an intricate network of pipes for water distribution. And here's where it gets interesting. These pipes were made of lead. Yes, you heard right, lead. Now you might be wondering, wasn't lead poisonous? Well, that's where the controversy lies. Lead, as we know, can be harmful to humans if ingested in large amounts. However, the Romans were unaware of this fact. To them, lead was a versatile and durable material, perfect for their water infrastructure. Interestingly, recent studies suggest that the levels of lead in the Roman water supply were likely too low to cause significant harm. The water's high calcium content might have formed a protective layer inside the pipes, preventing lead from leaching into the water. Yet this remains a topic of heated debate among scholars, with some arguing that long-term exposure to even low levels of lead could have had detrimental effects on the health of Romans. The Romans, with their advanced water distribution system, managed to keep a bustling city of 1 million people hydrated and clean. Their commitment to ensuring water purity was not just about survival, it was a testament to their understanding of public health and urban planning. As we delve deeper, the mystery only seems to intensify. The enigma of Rome's water distribution system continues to captivate us, urging us to unravel its secrets and learn from its wisdom. So, what have we learned about the ingenious water distribution system of ancient Rome? In our exploration of Rome's water distribution, we've uncovered the innovative strategies that allowed this ancient civilization to thrive and prosper. We've delved into the marvel of the Roman aqueducts, these awe-inspiring structures that stretched for miles, bringing life-giving water from distant sources right into the heart of the city. Their design was a testament to the Romans' engineering prowess and foresight. The gradient was meticulously calculated to ensure a steady, yet controlled flow of water. This was an innovation that was far ahead of its time, a testament to the Romans' advanced understanding of engineering and hydraulics. Then we delved into the Enigma of Maintenance. Despite the scale of these systems, the Romans ingeniously ensured their upkeep. From the aqueducts' guardians, the aquarii, to the use of settling basins for sediment filtration, Rome's waterways were kept in pristine condition, ensuring a constant supply of water to the city. We also unraveled the secret of pure water. The Romans leveraged natural solutions, such as the use of sand and gravel for filtration, ensuring the water that flowed into the city was clean and safe to use. They even had laws regulating water quality, further testament to their commitment to public health and sanitation. The impact of this advanced water distribution system on the growth and prosperity of ancient Rome cannot be overstated. It fueled agricultural expansion, powered industries, and provided sanitation, setting Rome apart from other civilizations of that era. Yet, despite our understanding, the Roman water distribution system still holds an air of mystery. How did a civilization more than 2,000 years ago accomplish such an engineering marvel with the tools and knowledge they had? It's a question that continues to fascinate us, reminding us of the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors. The remarkable water distribution system of ancient Rome, an engineering marvel that continues to baffle and inspire us even today.